Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to simplify the Surds. These type of questions, they are quite popular in GCSE level exam and also in Key Stage 3 level exam as well. So I'm just going to explain you here. I've written 3 questions here. Hope these questions will help you in understanding about Surds. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to it and press the icon button because every day I'm uploading videos. So you will be notified about the new videos which I'm uploading. So question number 1, it says 5 square root of 45 and minus 3 square root of 20. So we have to simplify them, or because they both are surds, so we have to simplify them and we have to write them in their simplest form. So what we can do is, for example, in question number 1, it says 5, so we'll write the 5 as normal. 45, we can split it into two parts. We can do it like 9 times 5. You see, 9 times 5 is 45. So 45 I have written in two parts. And then on the other side, we can write minus 3 as normal. And 20 we can write in two parts, or we can divide in two parts. So it's 4 times 5. So we can do 4 times square root of 5. You have square root of 4 times square root of 5. Now we know that square root of 9 is 3. So it will be 5 times 3, because square root of 9 is 3. So inside the square root sign, it will be 5 minus, it is 3, and we change, find the square root of 4, which is 2, and here it will be 5 square root. It will stay the same. Now we know that 5 times 3 is 15. So we can write 15 square root of 5, and minus 3 times 2 is 6. So it will be 6 square root of 5. Right? Now, both the numbers inside the square root, they are same. You see 5 and 5. So it means we can subtract these two surds. So we take away 6 from 15. So we get 9 and then square root of 5. And that's it. That's the answer. Now I'm going to do the second question here. The second question is 2 square root of 48 plus 3 square root of 12. But what I will request you is that if you think that you know how to do it, you can do it by yourself, and then later on you can tally your answers with my answers. And similarly, you can try to do question number 3 as well. But if you still don't know, you still need help, you can watch this video. Here, question number 1 is 2 square root of 48. So we'll write 2 as normal. Square root of 48, we can split it into two parts. We can do it like 16 times 3, because 16 times 3 will get 48 back, right? And on the right hand side, we can write 3, and 12 we can split it in two parts. It will be 12 we can split it in two parts. It will be 4 times square root of 3, right? Now we know that square root of 16 is 4, so we can write 2, sorry, not square root, we can write 2 times 4 and then times square root of 3. And on the right hand side, it will be 3, and square root of 4 is 2, so we can write times 2 and then square root 3. Now 2 times 4 is 8, square root of 3, plus 3 times 2 is 6, square root of 3. Now 8 plus 6 is 14. 14, it will be square root of 3. And this will be our final answer here, right? So for question number 1, the answer was 9 square root of 5. So this was our final answer here. And now I'm going to do the third question. And again, I would say if you think that you know how to do it, you can try it by yourself. Later on, you can tally your answer with my answer. Now 6 and then square root of 20. So we can write 6. Square root of 20, we can split it in two parts. Square root of 4 times 5, because 4 times 5 is 20. And then on the right hand side, it is 5, and we can split 45 into two parts. It will be 9 times square root of 5. So 6 square root of 4, we can do it like square root of 4 is 2. So we can write 2 and then square root of 5 plus 5. Square root of 9 is 3, 45. Yeah, 9 times 5 is 45. So square root of 9 is 3, and we can write 5 square root. Now we can simplify them, or we can work them out. We can times 6 with 2. When you times 6 with 2, we get 12 square root of 5 minus 5 times 3 is 15 square root of 5. So, okay, it's not minus, sorry, it's plus. So 12 square root of 5 and plus 15 square root of 5. So now we can add 15 and 12. So when so square root of 5, that will stay the same, but when you add 15 and 12, we get 20. We get 27, and inside it will be 5. It will stay the same. Remember, do not add them. Do not add them. They will stay the same. So your answer will be 27 square root of 5. Hope you understand these questions. And if you like this video, please press the like button. And I will see you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye. See you in the next video. Bye.